And now for step 4, the last step in our quick start process. We have created a class with students. We have created a short quiz. We have presented this quiz in class, and now we want to check the reports. So we go back to Setting and Query. And to query reports, you can log in as a general user. So just click OK. From our main dialog, we click Query, and it brings up our options to query. We can query by class, by person, by activity, and we have other options here. Now, we just did a very short class with 1 question and 2 students, so let's take a look at this. We're going to find our class by scrolling down to My New Class, and our activity time is set, and let's find our date today, which is October the 17th. And now query. And the report immediately appears that shows our activity name, our class name, our activity number, average mark, and then it lists our students' ID, name, their mark, the answer time, and their position in class. It also provides summary details for the entire class and the time and date that the class was administered. You can click here to print and query by other modes as well, but for our very simple purposes today with Quick Quiz, we're finished, and you can exit the program.